You will see the same like Venice. I'm showing you. See? In Venice, the same narrow lanes. The difference is the water body is there. It looks like Venice. It looks like Portugal. Obviously, it is Eurasia. There should be a similarity between Europe. So the narrow lanes, Medina jewelry. I think these are the domestic areas. I think so. Beautiful domestic areas, the buildings, the flats, the apartments. There are some hotels also. Those who want to stay in this, and that gentleman is told, well said, that he will get the similarity in Israel also, in Jerusalem. Same style building. I'm showing you. You're from? Azerbaijan. I'm from India. Hindustan. Spasiba. See, this is beautiful.
Какая? Хорошо.
Salamat.
Алейкум ассалам.
See, what a beautiful old town. This is a beautiful. Azerbaijan is nice. Nice Azerbaijan. I think some embassy or something like that. I shouldn't cover over here. So, guys, this is the curio shop, the souvenir shop. It has a reasonable rate. This brother is very good. Let me introduce with himself. Your name, please, you tell.
Orhan Babaev, I like you. Welcome Azerbaijan.
Okay, and you please share your number so that your shop name and number, so that the other persons who will see you can meet you.
Welcome. This is my shop. My shop name Old Baku, near this Caravansaray. This have two monuments, old man and old woman.
Okay.
This welcome Azerbaijan. Which this you like, you welcome my shop.
Shukran.
Thank you.
Spasiba.
Spasiba.
So what he was telling, that this is the, I'm showing, these are the landmarks. These are the landmarks. These are two landmarks. What he is telling about.